Hello guys, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. Today we'll be looking on how you can make a lightening lotion and a whitening lotion. It's the same lotion, all right, but you can convert it from lightening to whitening lotion. So do not forget to subscribe, okay? If you want to be seeing more of our video, subscribe and also click on the notification button and go to our website. Also search for austinglobalskincare.com. Do your shopping there in a smart way. If you want to produce this product, what will you be using? These are the things you'll be using. In less than 3 minutes we are done. These are the things you'll be using. First of all, we'll be using a very known lotion, which is Snapshot lotion, and also we'll be using glutathione whitening injection. You all know that one, the black one, all right? Yes, we'll be using Snapshot lotion and glutathione whitening injection. So we'll be using those two lotion. If you're familiar with these two products, you know that basically they are lightening products. They are lightening product. They will lighten you to the fullest. It's just that when you buy the fake, they can give you white patches, but if you buy the original one, they will lighten your skin to the fullest. So now let's dive into it. Open the two into your bowl, the two which is 500 ml, 500 ml. Okay, now there are some other serum we'll be using. We have a lot of different type of serum, so we might use up to 4, 5, 6. You know, it all depends on you. Left for me, I might decide to use 3 serums. I'm done. All right, but depends on, you know, as you want to make your lightening lotion and your lightening lotion. Now the serum we are using, basically people call them bleaching serums. They are all bleaching serums, and when they say bleaching serums, not because they call them bleaching serums so they are so very active that they bleach your skin. No, anything that tone your skin can be bleaching already. All right, yes, anything that change your skin color is bleaching. All right, so it's what it is. So these are bleaching serum, and our number one bleaching serum is skin framing. You all know skin framing have the tendency of, you know, lighten your skin. All right, yes, it clears knuckles and also dark spots, you know. Yes, of course, it clears knuckles and dark spots, any irritation like scar in your skin. Also skin framing will clear it, but don't let it deceive you that it's fast. No, it's gradual. That's why sometimes it can be recommended go and use skin framing on your lotion. You know, just be using it to rub your lotion. All right, so we're using skin framing, and also we'll be using any of the glutathione serum, like the one we'll be using. We can use glutathione also, and we'll be using glutathione, and also we'll be using our rapid whitenizer. You know, that is also a bleaching serum that you can use, and it's very nice. It all help the skin to lighten within weeks. All right, gradual usage, you know, when you put them in your lotion, they really help. So, and we'll be using glutathione serum also. Okay, yes, and you know this one is not concentrated. We have the concentrate, we have some that are thick, you know, while some are just oil, some are just oil. So we'll be using that one as well. So now we'll be using our pigmentos. You all know some persons say skin framing is stronger than pigmentos. I tell them no, it's not. Pigmentos is stronger than skin framing. All right, it's stronger than any of the glutathione you see, you know. Okay, so we'll be using our pigmenton serum. All right, some persons you can go ahead and try the lotion as well, but we'll be using the serum. Okay, so now what about the other additives we'll be using? Are we using powders? Are we using any other oil? Are we using any other activators? Yes, we are using. We'll be using our, you know, 7 days whitening oil. All right, you can see it on the screen. All right, the next time we come online, we'll be teaching you how to make that oil. Okay, now we'll be using our Blend Pro 9 activator. Yes, if you did not have that Blend Pro 9 activator, please go look for it. the whole of this product you've made now, you're only making a lightening product. But when you add the activator to it, now it's not a whitening product. Okay, we have our fragrance there, we have our preservative there. What do you want to use? I'm not using tube because I don't use to tubes. All right, I told you tubes are made for particular, skin condition. All right, so when you're using them, it's just a short time period. All right, so it is what it is. Now we've said we're using our fragrance, we're using our whitening oil, we're using our activator. Pigment does put half of the bottle, it's 60 ml, about half of the bottle. The glutathione is about 70 ml, about put half of the bottle. All right, the rapid white is just about 50 gram, yes, about put half of the bottle. All right, so every of the serum we're adding, the gluta white puts half of the bottle, like I said, and the gluta C we're using put half of the bottle. All right. Now your powder, you must have dissolved your powder already. Yes, you must have dissolved your powder already. The powder dissolved with your glycol. Okay, so complete glycol. You can dissolve the powder with your complete glycol already. So now the powder you're putting, you can use any of the powder. I did not specify powder. You can use any of the powder, whitening powder. All right. You can use the Snow White. What we are so concerned, because all what we're just making is a lightening product. What we are so concerned is that activator. If you want now, we've done like what we've done now, just a lightening product, all right? Yes, the preservative, do not forget to put your preservative 1 teaspoon, all right? Okay, if you want to convert this product to a whitening product, what do? That is when you now put the blend promine activator. Just put your blend promine activator. Before you know it, this is now automatic whitening cream. In 7 days you get white. Trust me. If it doesn't white in 7 days, in 14 days, no matter how hard your skin. Then if you say my skin, my skin, okay, give it 21 days. So you know what? So like, just try this and get back to me. The only thing that will be a challenge for you is the blend from how to get it. You can get it from us because it's only us that have that blend. Put it, before you know it, automatically you've gotten a good whitening cream. Alright, so we've come to the end of the video. Go try it and come back. Bye bye.